Hello guys, welcome back to another video. OnePlus is rolling out a new update for OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro users, which is for the beta channel, and previously they rolled out Open Beta 12 which had decryption issues, but today they have come up with a new update which is Oxygen OS Open Beta 13 for OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. If you guys are already running Open Beta 12, you should receive an update of 153 MB or somewhere around to 200 MB. But for those people who are running Open Beta 11, they will receive a complete zip file. Thanks to Atul for sharing this screenshot on my Telegram group. It's a stage rollout. Even I haven't received it via OTA update. Right now I'm running Open Beta 11 and there is no system update available. And I wanted to thank you guys for showing so much of love on our previous video, wherein we kept a target of 500 likes and you guys made that happen in only few hours. Now we have 1600 likes on that video. So once again, thank you so much for your love and support. On this video, let's keep a target of 550 likes. Now talking about this update, so all the download links are given in the description below. You need to download that file manually and place it inside the internal storage. Make sure you are placing inside the root directory of the internal storage. Avoid placing it inside any kind of folders. And if you are not willing to update manually, then you need to wait for some time, maybe a day or two. You should receive it via system update section. So I've already downloaded the file and placed it inside internal storage. Now let's go and update our device to latest Open Beta 13. So going to system update section, tapping on the gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade, and here we have the file which we placed it inside the internal storage. Tap on this, tap on install now. And for those people who are running on stable channel, they can anytime migrate to beta channel, but always make sure to use the complete zip file. Migrating from stable channel to beta channel won't affect your data. Once installation process is completed, you can reboot your device. A device has been successfully updated. Let me show you the software information by going to settings, about phone. Here you can see Android version is Android 10. Build number is Open Beta 13. This is my OnePlus 7 Pro. Under Android version, we still have the security patch of 1st April 2020. It's a similar update which we got it last time, which was Open Beta 12. It's a similar update to the previous one, which was Open Beta 12, but that had issues related to decryption, and with this update that has been fixed. I have personally tested it. First thing what you'll notice is now we have the new icons in the status bar, which is available from Open Beta 12. Now talking about the changelogs of this update, and here we have the changelogs of Open Beta 13 which are related to system, phone application and camera application. Talking about the first one under system, which says optimize the volume adjustment to improve user experience. So few optimizations have been done related to volume, and along with that now we also get the option of live caption. I have made a dedicated video on that. Link will be given in the description below. Make sure to check that out. Then the next changelog which says added the missing recording icon in the call screen. So let me make one thing clear over here. If call recording option is not available inside the phone application, that completely depends on your state or country policy, because most of the users have been asking related to call recording option, and that completely depends on your region or country. Right now I'm staying in Bangalore, and here you can see on my device I get the call recording option. How many of you guys are not getting the call recording option? Do let me know in the comment section below. Also don't forget to mention your state or country. After that, they have updated the security patch to April 2020. And the last one under system, they say fix known issues and improve system stability. Talking about the next changelog, which is related to phone application, in which they say added the ringing duration info for missed calls. Yes. So this is a quite helpful feature which will show you the ringing duration of any missed call. So right now here you can see I've given 2 missed calls. Tapping on these 3 dots, going to call details. First one it says rang for 7 seconds. And the second one it says rang for 15 seconds. And with the updated phone application, now you can switch your mobile data on phone calls supported with VoLTE. So if you have 2 SIM cards and both of them are supporting VoLTE, then you can switch the mobile data from one SIM to another one. And the last changelog is related to camera, which says added a feature which can now detect dirt on the camera lens, prompting a quick cleanup for better image and video quality. So here I did a quick experiment by putting some talcum powder on both the lens, front and back, but on my device I did not get any kind of prompt. How many of you guys are getting the message of quick cleanup when your lens is dirty? Do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, these were the complete changelogs. Now let's take a look at the benchmark results using Geekbench application and AnTuTu Bench application. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 684 and multi-core have scored 2353. With AnTuTu benchmark application, device have scored 3,43,307. So guys, this was all about the latest open beta for OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.